Hello everyone, my name is Tania Jackson and today I'm going to be presenting to you my PowerPoint presentation on nursing. So today we will be discussing about the PowerPoint and the nursing and what it means to be a nurse in this field, how to get to that point, and where you can find jobs, and also what type of jobs you'll get when you're out in the nursing field. Okay, so this presentation will prepare you for the steps you will have to take for a career in nursing. Your primary goals are to get your nursing degree, a nursing BSN degree, or just perhaps your nursing ADON degree, and preferably to be a hospice RN. How do we get there? How do we get there? By school. You have to go to high school, get that high school diploma, then college, 2 or 4 years. Now preferably 4-year BSN for hospitals, but not necessarily. And then a nursing program, and then that will prepare you to take the boards, which is called the NCLEX exam. Nursing is a high demanding field. You have so many areas to go in. Just to name a few: the emergency room, pediatric nursing, geriatric nursing, and one that's dear to my heart, hospice nursing. So there's so many different areas you can go into. So a very wise person, my husband, Ephraim Hicks, always told our children, anything worth having is worth working for. So I really go by that because it rings true to me. So in nursing, an RN salary is anywhere from $80,000 a year, depending on your experience. So we have, where do you look for jobs? So, like I said before, nursing is, there's so many different areas you can go into. So you have hospitals, schools, nursing homes, rehab, dialysis centers, nursing home, hospice care, and palliative care, just to name some of them. There's a lot more. Have a plan. You have to have a plan. In having a plan, you need to plan your success. Make a timeline. Have things lined up for you. That way you'll know what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. Knowing what's necessary is the key to helping you get to your goal. Organizing your life to ensure success. When you're organized, you do better in school, also better in life. Better in school, helping you get to where you need to be, your ultimate goal. On average, you need a C average or better to get into a nursing program. In order to get to that nursing program, you have to have that C average or better because it's their requirements. So you have to be organized, you have to have a plan, and you have to know what's necessary. Areas to focus on in nursing. Areas to focus on after you've passed, I would say, is the pay rates. Nursing has competitive pay rates. So, you're able to choose from so many different places, opportunities to grow. In nursing, you have so many areas to grow. You're constantly learning new things, and picking up new ways to do things. It's a constant growing occupation. How do we get there? Motivation, determination, and sacrifice. Motivation. What motivates you to get to the point you want to get to? Graduation. Determination. You have to be determined. You have to work hard to get to where you want to be. Sacrifice. You got to sacrifice in order to get there. You have to want it. Just some motivation. In summary, if you want a career in nursing, you're going to have to work for it. You have to put in the work. With hard work and dedication, nursing can bring you a whole new look on life. With its constant need of a wide range of nursing positions and opportunities for educational growth, this career is one of the most rewarding. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation today. I thank you so much for taking the time to listen. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope maybe you can apply this to your career. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.